Before using the bandsaw, we need to tighten the saw blade first. It begins with opening the top wheel cover. Then open the roller. Next, open the lock for the table guide. Then open the bottom wheel cover. Next, tighten up the blade by turning the blade tension handwheel clockwise and checking whether it is sufficiently tight enough by listening to the sound of knocking the blade. Lastly, check the blade teeth and make sure the teeth are 1 inch out from the top and bottom flywheel, and turn the flywheel clockwise to ensure the blade teeth stay in the same position.
Next, resolve fence. Unlock both of the resolve fence handwheel, then adjust it according to your measurement for cutting, then lock it. Next step is setting the guide post according to the height of wood. Adjust it by turning the elevating handwheel and lock it.
If the machine is in good condition, you can turn it on by first turning on the main switch, then releasing the emergency stop button, and then press the green button that is labeled as blade start. The machine will turn on. However, you need to wait for the beeping sound on the ampere meter before you can begin using the bandsaw machine.
For the last part, apply a little bit of lubricant on both sides of the blade.